Hey folks, so I got this Stihl HT75, and this is a pole saw, extendable, Stihl. So yeah, condition of it is unknown. I've topped it up with fuel. Just want to check the head over, clean it out, put some oil in that, and then we'll see if she fires. This is from an auction, this is, so yeah, auction numbers there. Condition of it is unknown, so let's crack on and see if it works. I reckon this is going to be quite messy inside. Doesn't look like the cleanest of saws. What's behind door number 1? Yeah, it's a little messed up. It's not too bad though. I've seen worse. Get these cleaned up and then get it back together, get some oil in it. Currently don't have a file to sharpen this at the moment, so hopefully it's sharp enough to do a few cuts. Trying to do this with one hand at the moment, so bear with me. That is all it takes to clean them up. Don't know why so many saws I work on in such bad condition. We'll top the oil up on this and then we'll see if the engine fires. Sweet. Archie Bones. chain seems to be moving, so go do some cutting. So there we have it. HT75s from an auction, and they work perfectly, and they're even sharp, so it's a win-win, I think. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.